Hey guys, just checking out on the trades today. Woke up a little late as normal, not normal lately, but this one right here was the easy trade pre. You should have had that level. I did. I just woke up and there's my alert and just missed it. No big deal. And then right here, people were thinking definitely, hopefully you had your levels correct right here. 348 was a resistance level. You'll see this nice thin line. I'll darken it up a little bit, and right here is the resistance line. So here's support all the way to resistance, and then it comes here, tries it one more time, and I got this trade from here to here, the open, or a little bit before the open, and then right here it just breaks down, found a little support to go to a VWAP kiss, so I entered at 3 to this 312, small trade, but I mean it's a correct trade I see all the time, which is target ones. Right here, you'll see that it bases down and then it starts going back up, and that's what starts the trend line that you see now, because it has to have 2 points. But basically, if you're looking at support and resistance right here, you can take this one and you can darken this one up as well. Where is the horizontal line? We'll put a nice new color on it. Let's go red and super big. Yeah, that's better. All right. So right here, you'll see it come up here, test, and then break through. Hits this one. I'll change that color as well. Let's see that, the red and with the dashes. All right, and then you'll see it come up here and hit resistance. And then it got to resistance again. So all I did is when the market opened, or before the market opened, start taking this trade. Once it found stability here twice on VWAP, and it broke right here. 312 or 315, I got a little late to 340, which was right up here because 348 was resistance. So I took a little off on the chart on purpose. And then right here, it started basing here at 3. I took 2 trades. You'll see them in the room. And right here, it's just going to go for that VWAP kiss. If it goes for anything, it might go for this trend line again, because that's what I've seen. If it goes more, it goes more, but it's 81 million shares. The free float's 13. So we will see. So that's STI. TPHS took a little while to develop. You notice it went up, down, all the way before pre. And look, it did find a bottom here at this previous area. And it came up here, made 2 tries at this level at VWAP right before the open. And that's what I would say, that's the line of resistance, because you have 1, 2, and 3. And it goes right up here to another resistance line. So this resistance turned into support. Tested it one more time and then went up. That was a good trade. I just don't trade penny stock, so I just took a small one right there. GOEV's killing it. Today right here, you'll see this ascending wedge or a long pattern right here right before the open. If you miss that, then you have a bull flag right here, and then it just started climbing up right here, and then it pulled back again. Didn't pull back a lot, so that just shows you how strong the trend is, and it did break right here at the 298 level where I got in. I just wrote it, and all I did is I said, well, it went to target 1, came down, did not go past anything to go back down here like this did. It went and tested it. Also, I checked the levels. There were 298 were the levels that we all pay for, and it went up to the next resistance level because they just had more buyers than sellers. These are 3 and 4 million share candles on a $3 stock. So that was a very good run up right there. So you had one opportunity here if you're watching. You missed that one, here's your next opportunity right here. You missed that one, here's another major pullback. This is another entry. And then after a while, you got to say, if I didn't have these drawings, you really got to know when to call it quits. I call it quits at target 1, and if it comes back down, breaks target 1, I'm getting in here one more time and riding it to target 2. That's just what I do, and I've found it more profitable, because if it goes to target 1 and fails, well, I got my target 1. So, and I didn't break even on a trade. So here's STI, same thing, sending wedge right here, there, went up, and then trusted that. We just talked about that. Sorry about that burb. Thing broke down, like I said, it started doing this. Buyers are willing to pay more. This is just open flush. And then right here, it just went up to that level one more time, went down one more time, and went. So look, it tested 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it finally went on the 5th. So it comes down to timing after a while. and all the indicators were telling me it should be going up. It should be going up a little bit more right now, and it'll probably just go retest this area and then fail the rest of the day, unless there's just a lot of buyers, because it's 20 million float. We will see. But if you are going to get in, make sure you get in over the highest candle at 68 and just ride it up to 73. Wave D did a perfect play at the open. It was going to just go test the area because, like Rob said, it fails a lot. So this is a trade I was setting up right here. I'll just tell you why I did it. It went down, up, down shallow. I immediately got pop because this was green at one time. Got target one pop, and then I just waited. And then target one got beat, and now that high got beat, and that's where I entered the trade. So this one went up quick, right back down, didn't get that one. And then right here on this candle, I waited patiently and got this ride right to target 2. And I didn't really go for anything else because to me, that's just my strategy. If I miss a little extra, and this is a little extra 40 cents, I don't care, because if you see these candles, they're big, but they big plays on them. Like they're going way up and down the whole time. So any wins could be as well as a loss, and you'll just see that was the green section of MACD just for that play. So that's why I traded that one, if you want to know. So I think that's about it. Let me check WLDS. Just did pre, and it's penny stock. Penny stocks are good. I don't know if I can calculate, and I really just, they're up for nothing for some reason. And I think it's more. We'll check that out. That's a good financial play right there. Now it's on this downtrend, so this would be the next area. So I could put alert here if I wanted to. It would have to come hit this 976. Otherwise, just let it downplay. This is probably support if you see all these levels right here busting through, and now it's just testing it. And see, it could test it and go right back up, or it can test it right now and just go right back through, because it did have a $2 rise today, so that's very important as well. So good run, whoever got that trade. I think I did see it. So good. IMRX. Let me go check that out. Not even on that one. Not even on the day. Oh, here we go. Oh, very good. Must be a slow 30. Yeah, 30 million float. 20 million float. Here's your first level right here. That's where I always draw mine, and I leave it there. And right there, nice target 1, almost target 2, and then it just came up. And that what you're noticing now is where was the biggest volume was right on this run, and now the volume's really coming in, because you'll see this volume outbeat that other volume. So you definitely want to look at that, even on that trade. So that's probably some people shorting it a little too early, and now they're going to get a little bit of it. But good run right here, and if you're looking for another target, just pull it up to here and see if it can go all the way to 285 in the next couple seconds while we're sitting here watching it, because it came up here one more time, and then that would be the level it does. So if it continues to go good, this would have been one of the entries you could have had, and that would have been a better entry. So either one, if you miss an entry, just wait for one really to set up. And if you got in here, it'd have been good and quick if you'd have had some small fibs. Like I would have had fibs for this, probably like that. And yes, that target 1 would have been hit. And then look, again, break of target 1 to target 2. A good, easy trade system. Y'all have a good day. I hope this all helps out. If you need any help, I do privates. Basically show you a little bit more detail than what I share. I just do pure price action today. I have these on the board, but I don't look at them on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So the other 2 days I trade these only, okay? Y'all have a good day. Thank you.